The law of attraction is a powerful universal principle. It states that like attracts like. This means positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative experiences. You become what you focus on most. Think of it like a magnet. Your thoughts and feelings emit a specific frequency. This frequency attracts similar frequencies back to you. Want a joyful life? Cultivate joyful thoughts and feelings. The law of attraction is always working. It's not something you turn on or off. Understanding this is key to creating the life you desire. You have the power within you to manifest your dreams. Are you ready to harness this power? Let's explore how. Sometimes the law of attraction might seem elusive, almost like a distant dream. You might desire something strongly, but it hasn't shown up in your life yet, leaving you feeling frustrated and confused. Don't worry, this doesn't mean it's not working. It just means there's more to the process. It simply means there might be some roadblocks, which are perfectly normal. Think of these roadblocks as detours on your manifestation journey, guiding you to learn and grow. They are not failures, but opportunities for growth and learning, helping you become stronger and wiser. One common roadblock is limiting beliefs, which can be deeply ingrained. These are negative thoughts you hold about yourself or the world, often without even realizing it. For example, you might think you're not worthy of love or success, which can be a major hindrance. These beliefs act as invisible barriers, blocking your desires from manifesting and keeping you stuck. Another roadblock is a lack of alignment, which can be subtle but powerful. This means your thoughts, feelings, and actions are not congruent with your desires, creating internal conflict. It's like wanting a delicious meal, but refusing to eat, which makes it impossible to satisfy your hunger. To manifest your desires, you need to align your energy with them fully, ensuring harmony between your mind, heart, and actions. Many people stumble on their manifestation journey due to common missteps. These missteps can often derail their progress and leave them feeling frustrated and disheartened. They misunderstand the law of attraction's principles or apply them incorrectly, leading to confusion and lack of results. Let's explore some of these missteps in more detail to help you avoid them and stay on track. One common mistake is focusing solely on the outcome, rather than enjoying the process. While having a clear vision is important, obsessing over it creates resistance and anxiety. It signals to the universe that you don't trust it to deliver, which can block your manifestations. Another misstep is neglecting the importance of gratitude in your daily life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that shifts your energy from lack to abundance, attracting more positive experiences. When you appreciate what you have, you open yourself up to receiving more blessings and opportunities. Many people also fall into the trap of impatience, expecting immediate results. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires patience and persistence. It takes time, consistent effort, and unwavering faith to see your desires come to fruition. Trust the timing of your desires and enjoy the journey, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. Lastly, some individuals forget the importance of taking inspired action towards their goals. The universe will present you with opportunities, but it's up to you to take action and seize them with confidence. Don't wait for a sign. Create your own and move forward with determination. Section 4. Practical tools to ignite your magnetism. Now that we've explored common roadblocks and missteps, let's dive into practical tools to ignite your magnetic power. First, clarity is key. Without clarity, it's easy to get lost or distracted. Get crystal clear about what you want. Define your goals with precision. Write down your desires in detail. The act of writing helps solidify your intentions. The more specific you are, the better. Next, visualize your dreams. Visualization is a powerful tool. Create a vision board or spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living your dreams. Picture every detail vividly. Feel the emotions as if it's happening now. Gratitude is your superpower. Practice gratitude daily. It shifts your focus to abundance. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you're grateful for. This practice can transform your mindset. The more you focus on the good, the more good you'll attract. Affirm your desires with confidence. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. Speak them with belief. Repeat them daily with conviction and belief. Consistency is key. And finally, take inspired action. Action bridges the gap between dreams and reality. Pay attention to the opportunities that present themselves. They often come in unexpected ways. Trust your intuition and take action, even if it's just a small step. Every step forward counts. Section 5. Embrace your power to create. The law of attraction is a powerful force for good in your life. Embrace it, understand it, and use it wisely. It's not a magic wand, but a tool for growth, self-discovery, and creating the life of your dreams. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to manifest your desires, release limiting beliefs, cultivate positive emotions, and take inspired action. The universe is conspiring with you to make your dreams a reality. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and watch your life transform.